Hey there! Have you ever seen a small business run by 4 teenage girls? If not, you're in luck. At sskj Slimes we sell good quality products. Those products are slime and bracelets. In the next clip, we will show you our first ever website. Pause or screenshot to read, sorry. Just a reminder, we are only teenage girls and we don't have any experience with business. We hope you can find it in your heart to order. If not, can you at least subscribe and like or share to your friends? Ties them for watching.